we will guide you through how to change aspect ratio of image in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop, open the image you want to edit, then allow it to appear completely on the canvas before changing its shape. Select the crop tool from the toolbar on the left side of the workspace, or press the C key to activate it quickly. Go to the options bar at the top of the screen, where Photoshop displays the available settings for the active crop tool. We will guide you through how to change text texture in Photoshop and height without forcing the crop to use a specific number of pixels. Enter the desired width ratio in the first value field, using the proportion required for your design or intended platform. Enter the desired height ratio in the second field, making sure the two values are placed in the correct order. For example, use 16 for the width and 9 for the height when you need a wide 16:9 aspect ratio for a video, presentation, or screen. Adjust the crop box on the image by dragging its corners or edges until the frame covers the area you want to keep. Reposition the image inside the crop area by clicking within the frame and dragging, allowing you to improve the composition without changing the chosen ratio. Check every side of the crop and make sure the subject, text, faces, and other important details remain safely inside the frame. When the crop looks balanced, press the Enter key to apply it and remove the areas outside the selected boundary. Review the edited image and confirm that its new width to height relationship matches the aspect ratio you entered. Finally, save the result as a new file or export it in the format required for your project, keeping the original image separately in case you want to create another crop later.